of colors. Today we meet colors. Let's learn and enjoy. Let's go! Yellow. This is the yellow color. Purple. This is the purple color. Red. This is the red color. Green. This is the green color. Golden. This is the golden color. Pink. This is the pink color. Blue. This is the blue color. Black. This is the black color. Orange. This is the orange color. Gray. This is the gray color. Brown. This is the brown color. White. This is the white color. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.